Guys, welcome back to Code Mystery 7, and today in this video we will learn how to install Telegram in our Windows PC or laptop. Telegram is a popular messaging app. Now its security features and user friendly interface. So let's start the video to install Telegram app in Windows 11 laptop. First step, to download Telegram. To download Telegram for free, open the link given in the video description. So let's start. First to go to the our favorite web browser. On Google, type telegram desktop org. Press enter. Here you can see official website is visible, https desktop.telegram.org. Click on it. After reaching the website, there is a one button, get Telegram for Windows x64. Click on it. Download has started. It will take some time depending upon the speed of your internet. Once the download is complete, click to open the installer file. Click on write and open it. Now follow the screen. Minimize these. Now follow the screen instruction to complete the installation. Choose your language, English. OK. Click on browser to change installation file. Click on browse to change the installation folder for default location. Click on next. Here you can see select start menu folder. Click on next. Again click on next and then click on install. The installation has started. It complete now, and here you can see finish button. Click on it, finish. Now click on start messaging. Simply follow the instruction to link Telegram account on your phone with the Telegram app now desktop. You can also log in using the phone number. That's how to download and install Telegram on Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching my video. So I hope guys my video has helped you. If yes, then don't forget to hit on like button, and if you have any kind of query or you are facing any problem, you can put on comment box. I will surely reply to your query. And guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive notification of my channel. Thanks guys for watching my video. Till I will see you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, keep learning guys.